Guys, so what I'm going to do today is real simple, but I'm going to make it sort of look like a sort of sunrise. So I'm going to put on, and as you can tell, my 2-year-old. So I'm just going to use my e.l.f. foundation today, and I'm just going to use a brush, which is this one, and it's my vegan flavors. Because at the moment I'm quite red. So I'm just sort of going to pack that on. Hey Aria, you need to stay still. So funny. So we're going to keep packing that on just to give it a good base. Because yeah, I am quite red at the moment. Where are you going, mate? What am I doing? Doing my YouTube. What are you doing? Alright, so there we go. There's that. That's sort of all done there. And then I'm gonna get my Morphe, which as you can tell is well used. But so I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush here, which is my vegan crease blender. And I'm gonna go in with the yellow. Putting on some makeup, darling. What are you doing? Alright, so I'm just going to do this as sort of like the crease blender. Then I'm going to get on the other side. Hello, gorgeous. Now, why her cheeks are so red is because she decided to eat tomatoes, and somebody is very allergic to tomatoes. Well, not very allergic, but she doesn't want to go to bed. Alright, now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with the orange, give that a tap, sort of just get just in underneath that one, underneath the yellow. There we go, so it's got the yellow. I'm just going to add a bit more yellow into that top bit there. Yeah. Just keep getting with that orange just there, just to give it sort of like a sunrisey look. Get out of my light, Aria. Hi. You're so funny. You're so funny. So just sort of keep doing that orange. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put sort of like that red. But I'm going to get this one. Get this brush, which is my Colourpop E4. And I'm going to get that red. Grab quite a bit in there. And so I'm going to keep packing it. And then what I'm going to do is grab that same blending brush and grab some of the orange. I'm just going to blend it out. Just sort of give it a blending just with that orange colour in there as well. I got 2 pennies. Alright, I'm not sure how the light's working on this side. It doesn't seem to be pulling it up as much. I'm going to add some more red onto there. Yep, grab some more orange. And just keep blending it, sort of like give it so that it does give more of a sunrise tone. Sunrise, sunset, whatever. Either one. They sort of both look the same, to be honest. Alright, so then we've got that. Yeah, got that. And then I'm going to go with my E2, Heavy Blender. Then I'm going to get that yellow. And I'm going to get quite a bit of that. Just sort of tag it in. Then you're gonna sit with me. Excuse me. Then I'm gonna grab this, sort of just give it a good clean up. Man, the faces you make, right? Like. This one, which is my Colourpop. I have no idea, just this one, and sort of tap that in. So the concealer I was using is just my CoverGirl, sorry. So tap that out, and tap that in, sort of just blend it all out. Give it a good blend. Alright, so there, we've got that. And just make sure it's sort of even on both sides, and as you can tell it is, so it's got the yellow, then the orange, and then the red. You want red? You want that one? Alright, and then from there, since I've done all the face, I'm sort of just going to go in with this brown colour here, which is called Golden Nude. And that's by OXX Cosmetics. Not sure about that one. No. So, I think I'm going to go in with my trusty Kylie, which is Dolce Gabbana. Just going through my makeup drawer. What's it, darling? You've got some lip glosses. You've got 2 dozen. She's got 2 lip glosses, but she's actually got 3. Right, and then I'm just gonna go. You go to the toilet. Telling people that she's got a okay, so I'm just going to do a real simple black line. I'm not going to do a flick. So I'm just going to do real simple. Sorry guys, I just bumped up that side because somebody goes, I've gone to the toilet because I've done farts. So, yeah, that's a bit of a moment. And she didn't do farts, by the way. Alright, so we'll try this off. There we go. So yeah, I marked up that eye because of somebody. But that eye turned out pretty good. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Friday. But again, I am a busy mum, so sometimes it won't always be on time. And I'm trying to do it so that I will do it once the kids are in bed. But obviously, at the moment, a little certain somebody didn't want to go to bed. So yeah, hope you guys have a great night. And yeah, like and subscribe. See you guys.